effect from this afternoon through late tonight. Moderate flooding is forecast. Where? Mill Creek at Evendale. At 15 feet, several businesses adjacent to the creek incur severe property and structure flooding. Additionally, flooding near the Sharon and Mosdella Road intersection may be as much as 1 foot deep, with similar flooding along Canal Road. Areas of Evendale between Mill Creek and Redding Road also incur flooding. Additional details: at 1:45 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 7.9 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this afternoon to a crest of 15.3 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage late this evening. Flood stage is 12 feet.
Additional details: at 1:45 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 7.9 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this afternoon to a crest of 15.3 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage late this evening. Flood stage is 12 feet.